Hello everyone. Let us provide the solution to this question. We are asked to resolve into partial fraction x to the power of 4 all divided by x plus 1 all to the power of 3. So the first thing we do here is that we have to expand the denominator using the Pascal's triangle. So expanding the denominator, we have that x plus 1 to the power of 3 can be expressed as x to the power of 3 plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. So therefore, we have it now that x to the power of 4 is divided by 3x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Now, looking at the compound fraction, you will observe that the degree of the numerator is higher than that of the denominator. So therefore, this is an improper fraction. Hence, for us to reduce the numerator, we make use of the long division. So using long division, we have that. So this is the divisor, which is x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. And then we have x to the power of 4. So x to the power of 4 divided by x cubed, we will be left with x. X times x cubed is x to the power of 4. X times 3x squared is plus 3x cubed. X times 3x is plus 3x squared. And x times 1 is x. Now we have to subtract. So by subtracting, x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4 is given as 0. So at this point, we'll be left with negative 3x cubed, negative 3x squared, and negative x. Now, we have to divide further because the power of x here is 3. At this point, negative 3x cubed divided by x cubed is negative 3. So negative 3 times x cubed is negative 3x cubed. Negative 3 times 3x squared is negative 9x squared. Negative 3 times 3x is negative 9x. And negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. So at this point, we still have to subtract. So we have that minus 3 minus 9. So minus 3, minus times minus is plus, we have plus 9, this is equal to 6. So therefore, minus 3x squared minus 9x squared is 6x squared. Also, minus x minus 9x is plus 8x. And here we have plus 3. So at this point, we have been able to reduce the numerator. So now we can express our compound fraction as x to the power of 4 divided by x plus 1 all raised to the power of 3 will now be equal to the quotient here, which is x minus 3 plus the remainder, which is 6x squared plus 8x plus 3 now will be divided by x plus 1 all raised to the power of 3. Now at this point, let us consider this proper fraction. Now, the proper fraction given to us here is 6x squared plus 8x plus 3 divided by x plus 1 all raised to the power of 3. Now, if you look at the denominator, it is given in repeated linear factor. So this can be resolved as a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 1 all squared plus c divided by x plus 1 all raised to the power of 3. So let's call here equation A. Now at this point, we have been able to resolve the partial fraction. Now the next step we take here is that we take LCM at the right hand side. So if we take LCM here, our LCM is x plus 1 all raised to the power of 3. So the LCM divided by x plus 1 will be left with a multiplied by x plus 1 all squared plus also the LCM divided by x plus 1 all squared will be left with b multiplied by x plus 1. Also, the LCM divided by x plus 1 to the power of 3 will be left with c. Now, let us bring down the left-hand side. So we have 6x squared plus 8x plus 3 all divided by x plus 1 all raised to the power of 3. Now, looking at the left-hand side and the right-hand side, it's obvious that the denominators are the same. So therefore, we equate the numerators. So equating numerators, we have 6x squared plus 8x plus 3 equal to a multiplied by x plus 1 all squared plus b multiplied by x plus 1 plus c. Now, we have to expand this bracket here. So this can be expressed as a open bracket x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus b open bracket x plus 1 plus c. Now at this point, let's open up the brackets. So we have this is a times x squared is ax squared. A times 2x is 2ax plus a times 1 is a plus b times s is bx, b times 1 is b, and plus c. So let us bring down the left hand side. So we have 6x squared plus 8x plus 3. Now at this point, we can group terms at the right hand side. So this can be ax squared. Now at this point, we have 2ax and we have bs. So this can be expressed as 2a plus b, all enclosed in a bracket multiplied by x. Also, we have a, we have b, and we have c. So we have a plus b plus c. And let us write down the left hand side. Now, to obtain the values of a and b at this point, we have to compare coefficients. Now, if you look at our equation, we have 6x squared here, and also we have ax squared here. So at the right hand side, the coefficient of x squared is a, and at the left hand side, the coefficient of x squared is 6. So therefore, a is equal to 6. Now again, we have 2a plus b multiplied by x, and we have 8x here. So at the right hand side, the coefficient of x is 2a plus b, and at the left hand side is 8. So we have 2a plus b is equal to 8. Now also, we have that a plus b plus c is equal to the constant term 3. So we have a plus b plus c is equal to 3. Let's call here equation 1, call here equation 2, and call here equation 3. Now, to obtain the value of b, let us substitute equation 1 into equation 2. So we have that 2a plus b is equal to 8, but a is equal to 6. So therefore, we have 2 multiplied by 6 plus b is equal to 8. So 2 times 6 is 12. So b is equal to 8. Now, if we move 12, which is 2 times 6, to the right-hand side, this becomes negative 12. This is equal to negative 4. So therefore, b is equal to negative 4. Now, we have obtained the values of a and b. So let us substitute those values into equation 3 to obtain the value of c. So equation 3 is a plus b plus c equal to 3. So a is 6, b is negative 4, plus c equal to 3. So 6 minus 4 is 2. So c is equal to 3 minus 2. So therefore, c is equal to 1. So thus, we have that a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to 1. Now, we have obtained the values of a, b, and c. Let us substitute these values into equation a. But recall that x to the power of 4 is divided by x plus 1 all the way to the power of 3. And this was resolved to x minus 3 plus a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 1 all squared plus c divided by x plus 1 all to the power of 3. So therefore, if we substitute the values of a, b, and c, the equation becomes x minus 3 plus a is 6. So we have 6 divided by x plus 1 minus b is minus 4. So we have 4 divided by x plus 1 all squared plus, and c is 1. So we have 1 divided by x plus 1 all to the power of 3. At this point, we have been able to resolve the compound fraction into each partial fraction. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and please subscribe to our channel. And for more solutions on partial fraction, check out our playlist in this channel on partial fraction. I wish you a happy learning journey. Bye.